Hi, welcome to Nasware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change background in Zoom application. In here, if we create meeting in Zoom application, we have a real background like this. I will using toys in here. This is my toys. Okay. I don't want to appears my face, but I'm using toys in here. I'm sorry. Okay. First, before we can change our real background, we must make our real background is using solid color, and better if our real background is in green color, but in solid color is okay. To change the background color, we can click our video in here and choose virtual background. This is my toys, guys. Okay, now we can change our background like this. You can see this is my virtual background, and you can also using your own image. In here you can choose virtual background, and please click the plus sign in here to add your image. But in here I'm using available image from a Zoom application. Okay, first you must have a real background with solid color, and better using green color. And the second, you can go to video menu in here and select available background or your own image. Now you have virtual background, and it's better than a real background. That's all tutorial how to change a background in Zoom application. Hope this video helpfully. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.